All right, so we are almost done here. Just about 2 more problems, but I wanted to make sure I didn't run out of video on time on that last one. So I have a 2x plus 4y equals 12 and a minus 5x minus 10y equals negative 30. So the only way I'm going to get these to actually be able to have opposite terms that cancel is to multiply both equations. I'm just going to go ahead and eliminate the x's. So I see that I have a positive 2x and a negative 5x. I know they already have opposite signs. One side is negative. So what I'm going to do is get them to multiply the first equation. It doesn't want to work. Oh, there it'll work. I'm going to multiply my first equation by 5 and my second equation by 2. So my new system that I have here is 10x plus 20y equals 60. If I multiply my bottom equation by 2, I have negative 20 minus 20y equals negative 60. And what happens here is everything cancels out. And I come down to a 0 equals 0. So that is a true statement. 0 does equal 0. So this is when we will have that situation where we have infinitely many solutions. Because looking at the original here, if I go back and look at these two equations, if I were to solve that first one for y, I have 4y equals negative 2x plus 12. I come down to y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3. If I were to solve the second equation, so I'd have negative 10y equals 5x minus 30 divided by 10, negative 10, I get y equals negative 1/2 plus 3. You see, I actually have that exact same equation, so I would be graphing the same line. I would have infinitely many solutions. All right, so that's the case where you're going to have infinitely many solutions. If we look at this next example, or our final example here, 5x plus 2y equals 52, 15x plus 9y equals 54. All right, so I look and see, okay, if I want to eliminate the x's, all I really have to do is multiply that first equation by negative 3. So I'm going to have negative 15x minus 9y equals 50 times negative 3 is negative 152, so negative 1. And then I have 15x plus 9y plus 54. Add these together. My x's cancel. My y's cancel. So I'm left with 0 equals, but this does not cancel. This is negative 100. So this is false. This is not a true statement. 0 does not equal negative 100. So this would be inconsistent, which means no solution. All right. So if you come down to a true statement, like 7 equals 7 or 0 equals 0, something like that, you have infinitely many solutions. If you come down to a false statement, you have no solution. So that wraps up section 1. You have the rest of class to work on your homework. If you have any questions at all, I will go over them at the start of next class, as usual, and we'll answer any homework problems you have then. Between now and then, though, feel free to email me with any issues at all.